Hey everyone, today I'm going to talk about a simple music playlist program that uses something called a circular link list. It has two classes, song node and the circular playlist. When we add the new song using the add song, the program checks if the playlist is empty. If it is, the new song points itself, creating a circular loop. If the playlist is not empty, the new song is inserted after the last song, and the last pointer updates to the new song. This keeps the playlist connected in the circle. To show all songs, show playlist method starts from the first song, which is right after the last node, and prints each song until it loops back to the start. The play next the play next method simulates playing music. It moves the last pointer forward to the next song and prints the current song details. This lets us cycle through the playlist endlessly. For the example, three songs are added to the playlist, which include The Shape of You by Ed Sheeran, Blinding Lights by The Weeknd, and Levitating by Dua Lipa. Then all songs are displayed using show playlists. Finally, we call play next three times, which plays each song in order and loops back to the beginning after the last one. This circular link list design is ideal for a music playlist because it naturally loops through songs without extra checks for the end. This program shows our circular link list allows us add songs efficiently, display them, play the next song in order, and loop endlessly through the playlist. Thank you.